AI is not just changing how work gets done. It's changing who gets promoted. And most professionals haven't noticed yet. AI allows more work to be produced faster. But promotions aren't based on volume. They're based on perceived impact. The gap is widening. The professionals gaining the most advantage from AI are not just using it, they are positioning their output strategically. AI increases production. Positioning increases recognition. Many professionals quietly use AI to work faster, but they never reposition their role. They stay executors, just faster ones. Speed alone doesn't create promotion leverage. Promotions rarely come from execution. They come from insights that change direction, decisions that impact outcomes. AI helps you move upward if you use it correctly. Instead of submitting reports, add interpretations. Instead of sending summaries, add recommendations. AI generates information. You generate meaning. If you build an AI-driven workflow, make sure it becomes associated with you. Systems scale your visibility, not just your productivity. Volunteer for projects where AI outputs influence direction. Budget decisions, strategy planning, process redesign. Decision proximity drives career acceleration. Everyone will eventually use AI. Few will multiply outcomes with it. Multipliers become difficult to replace and easier to promote. Old signals, effort, hours, volume. New signals, leverage, systems, impact. Promotions follow signals. AI is compressing execution, but it is expanding opportunity. If you understand the signal shift, you move faster than the system expects. Click on the icon to subscribe. That way you won't miss the next video in the series. And if you're enjoying the content, please give us a like.